Stop losing money on flips. 7 hidden costs killing your margin. Listen, I watched a flipper lose $18,400 on a deal they thought was going to be a $60,000 payday. Why? Hidden costs they never saw coming. I don't want that to be you. Stick with me because by the end of this script, I'm going to show you exactly how $62,000 profit turned into $29,000 in the real world and how you can protect yourself from making the same mistake. I'm Joe Holmes, broker, mentor, investor. 50 years, thousands of deals. I've made money and I've paid for lessons in blood, sweat, and bounce checks. My job here is to help you shortcut the pain and keep the profit you already earned on paper. Hidden cost number 1 is holding time. You think you'll be in and out in 90 days. Reality looks like 6 or 7 months. That's 6 or 7 months of taxes, insurance, utilities, yard care, and interest if you borrowed. Every month you hold, you bleed. Budget the real timeline, not the fantasy timeline. Number 2. Permits and compliance. The city never just signs off. Plant check fees, Title 24 energy requirements, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide placement, handrails, GFCIs, and the dreaded reinspection. Always ask your GC, are your permits in your bid? 9 times out of 10, they aren't. 3, change orders. We opened the wall and found dry rot. The sub panel won't pass. The shower pan is cracked. If you aren't carrying a 10 to 15% contingency, you're borrowing from future profit. That money will leave. You just don't know the address yet. Number 4, waste and logistics. Dump runs, material returns, extra tool rentals, and yes, parking tickets during street sweeping. Logistics, death by 1,000 cuts is real. Track it and plan for it. Number 5, time overruns. If your crew stays 6 weeks, you plan 12. Tie draws to milestones with inspector sign-offs. I don't pay for rough-in until the city stamps it. Otherwise, you're financing somebody's vacation. Number 6, buyer credits. You get into escrow and the inspector finds an aging water heater, hairline slab cracks, or the AC from 2008. Expect 1 to 2% of the purchase price to go back out in credits or a rate buy down if you want the deal to survive. Build it in on day 1. Number 7, sales friction. If you cheap out on staging photos and a clean disclosure package, you'll pay for that tenfold as price reductions. Spend $2,000 to save 20. That's easy math. Book a one-on-one with me. I'll walk you through a detailed scope of work and tailor it to your market. The payoff on that $62,000 deal, we added 4 extra months on holding, 2 re-inspections, a surprise sub panel, 3 dump runs, pro staging and photos, and a buyer credit at the finish line. Net profit $29,000. Still a win, but not the fantasy version. Plan for the real cost and you'll keep the money everyone else donates to mistakes.